Hi, I'm Colin, and today we're going to show you how to properly install snap edge. So the first step to properly installing edge restraint is to pull the sand away from the edge of your stones. But first you need to make sure that you wet the sand so that it pulls away clean. So the step 2 to correctly installing snap edge is to place your snap edge on your base and install your spikes. So what I always like to do is I like to pre-lay my snap edge down to kind of get a gauge for if I need to make any cuts. Then I can kind of do that already. And after we make that cut and connect these two pieces together, we'll go ahead and install each 10-inch spike for every linear foot or third hole in the snap edge. So step 3 to installing snap edge is to cover the snap edge. Typically you would want to cover snap edge with dirt because grass can grow through snap edge the best of all the restraint options, but we just have sand to demonstrate how that's done. It's pretty important that you cover your snap edge, especially on a hot day, because the sun can warp the snap edge if it's not covered. So after you've finished your snap edge and you've covered it, you may need to compact your paving stones depending on the type of paving stones you have. Not all of them get compacted. But after that, you can sweep in and pretty much enjoy your project.